Could your company be overlooking qualified SR&ED activity involving frequently reoccurring incidents of learning? If so, your company could be leaving money behind. Most taxpayers have never heard this, but SR&ED is the acquisition of knowledge that is not generally accessible to a competent professional in his field. And the quantum of knowledge that you have to gain in order to be eligible for SR&ED is very small. Would you like to find out if your company is leaving money behind? In order to determine if your company is leaving money behind, I would invite you to consider two questions. One, aside from the projects that your company is claiming year after year, how often have you gained knowledge that is not generally accessible to a competent professional in his field? Every month? Every week? Perhaps even every day? The second question that I would like to ask you to consider is the kind of knowledge that your company is gaining on a day-by-day basis. Is that the sort of knowledge that you can acquire simply by going online or perhaps by speaking to an engineer? If you've answered affirmatively to these two questions, the Sheldon Group can help you to receive the funds that you are entitled to in law. If it's so that SR&ED is the acquisition of knowledge that is not generally accessible to a competent professional in his field, then your challenge is to claim the unrelated incidents of learning that occur aside from the projects that you're already claiming. The Sheldon Group has developed the Learning Centric Approach in order to remedy this problem. Through this program, you are able to claim qualified activities that are otherwise left behind. The Learning Centric Approach makes an enormous difference, and it's all based on interpreting, understanding, and applying income tax law in the way that the legislature intended. The difference is profound, and we never ignore the projects that you're already claiming. The Sheldon Group can show you how the learning-centric approach can increase the value of your claim while increasing defensibility.